Hello friends, welcome to Azure Data Factory video series. This is 23rd video and the topic is if condition activity in Azure Data Factory. I would recommend you please watch my videos in sequence. Agenda for this video is I will explain you if condition activity, how it works and some properties of it. I will show you some example in the live demo for better understanding. A condition activity. It executes a set of activities when the condition evaluates to true and another set of activity when the condition evaluates to false. That means on the basis of true or false, it execute the activities or set of activities. Okay, it is similar to the condition in programming languages like C# or Java or .NET. Okay, this is the link I have given. You can go to the Microsoft documentation and you can learn it in details. Here it is. You can find it link in my video or the video description. Okay, now get to the Azure portal. This is my home page. Before that, let me show you scenario for this example. I will create a parameter which name as something flag. So on the basis of this flag, true or false, the activities would be performed. Suppose if flag is true, that is condition 1. If that means delete file from a folder, that is maybe from one folder, and if flag is false, then delete files from another folder. Okay, that is two case, true and false. Now look, let me show you the storage account where we have a files. This is a storage account. Let's go to container, and then demo container I have some folders here. You can see output. Let me show you output. In output window we have employee.csv. Let's upload some file here. Okay, just browse. Let me select any file. Let me select 2 files. Okay, let's hit the upload button, and 2 files deleted here, uploaded here, sorry. Let's cross it. We have 2 files, employee details 1 and employee details 2 in output folder. Now go to Azure Data Factory. This is for each loop container, for each loop activity in this is I have created in my last video. Please watch it so you will understand. Let me create a new pipeline for this new topic, if condition. Okay, we can rename it from here. Now just search for if condition and drag and drop in canvas for new pipeline. In general sections we can rename it. Let's rename it as if condition task would be better, I guess. Just activities. Now you need to put expressions here based on that true or false activities will perform. You have options to make it dynamic, so you can see here true or false. Okay, and third tab is user properties. This is already I have discussed, or you can go to my Azure Data Factory video series. Just open the YouTube, search for Azure Data Factory playlist by TechTake. Sorry. Okay, search by Azure Data Factory TechTake, and you can find my channel and videos. You can go to the playlist. You can. I would strongly recommend please watch my videos sequentially one by one to better understand. You can go, if you go down in my playlist, in the 13th video I guess I have user interface, user properties. Yeah, 18th video. Okay, some videos I haven't uploaded yet, so I'm going to upload it soon, like if for each loop. So I'm making these videos continue today. So let me create the flag parameter now for if condition. The flag I will rename it flag. Okay, keep the type as string. Now go to the activities. Now we can make dynamic expression here. Just hit the dynamic content, and we will have that parameter. Okay, flag parameter. This way we can make the activities parameterized. Now it is true and false, so we need to put the flag as boolean. We will select some conversion here, just select bool and make it proper expression for boolean. Okay, just hit that. Now our expression is done. For true case, let me select delete activity. As I said, on the basis of flag of true, this delete one activity will perform. I need to select dataset. Okay, the file name I have parameter, so that file name, suppose if we have flag 1, we can select this file name should be deleted. Just put employee details 1. For case 1, I will keep the details 1.csv. File should be deleted. In the logging section, I don't want the logging. If you want to watch the details for delete activity, you can go my channel and you can watch for delete activity. Here you in the 22nd video, I have explained the delete activity for all the settings, logging properties, user properties, everything here. So I will not go in detail for delete activity. Let's go for false flag. False flag, I will again select the delete, just drag and drop, and this time I will configure it as the delete another file, like just select that dataset and file name should be different. So this time I will select employee details 2.csv should be deleted if the expression get false. I guess we are fine now. The logging setting, just uncheck it, enable logging, so you don't need logging your file and path and details. So our pipeline is done now, all set to execute. You can see true and false. Just hit the debug button for temporary to run, then we don't need to publish it. This time I am to set flag as true. Just hit save and it's start executing. So this container employee details 1 file should be deleted. It's in progress. You can see here. Just hit refresh. Okay, so pipeline is completed now. Now hit the refresh button and you can see here employee details 1.csv file is deleted. That means true flag is worked. Okay, now hit the again debug and this time flag false. Now another file should be deleted from that folder again. It's still in progress. Just hit the refresh. It's succeeded. Okay, now go to the container and see the details 2 file is also deleted now. So both worked. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.